What is up people, welcome to another brand new video of feedback visuals. So guys, in this video I will provide you top 5 best Photoshop text effect. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So guys, that's our first text effect. So the font I'm using for this effect is Nitro Changer. Then what I'm gonna do is just simple rasterize this text layer, and then I will just simply add a simple gradient to that. I will use this nice red gradient. Okay, this red is gradient. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply add this background image, and I will just simply add this to clipping mask, and I will just simply change the blending modes to overlay. Alright guys, then I'll just simply do some masking and stuffs. Alright guys, after doing that I'll just simply adjust the gradient, and then I'll just simply go to blending options. I'll just add a nice stroke. Alright, then what I'm going to do is just simply go to the bevel and ambush, and I'll just customize it. Simply as a depth, then gloss contour. I'll just simply adjust this thing. You can do it yourself, like what kind of effect you want. I'll maybe add this nice color. Alright guys, after doing that I will just simply add another stroke to that, and I'll just simply change the color to red. Alright guys, that's our brand new text effect. So you can create this text effect by following my instructions. So let's jump into the next text effect. So alright guys, here we go to our next text effect. So this text effect will be like a little bit of 3D. Okay, so the font I'm using on this text effect is Arrow, and then what I'm gonna do is just simply rasterize this layer. After rasterizing this layer, I will just simply add a nice gradient. I'll just add a nice purple gradient maybe. Alright, so after adding this purple gradient, I will just simply duplicate the layer, and I'll just simply drag this layer, little bit of that, and I will just simply add a nice custom like grayish type gradient. Alright, there we go. Then guys, what I'm gonna do is just simply select this layer and just rasterize this. Okay, then I will simply select those texts like specific words, and then I will simply rotate this something like that. Okay, I'll do it to everything like this L. Simply select this and just rotate it something like that. Okay guys, then the B letter. Okay guys, that's all right. Here we go. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply select the specific words one by one, and I'll just add to layer curved, and then I'll just simply add this thing again. I will just repeat the same process. simply select the word and the card, then this layer. Alright, here we go, that's our last. There we go guys. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply select this layer and I'll just add a nice gradient to that, just something like this. Then I will just add this color gradient. Okay, then here we go, that's looking really good. Alright, so after that I will just simply rasterize all of these layers, something like that. Alright, I just rasterized all of this layer. Then boom, I'm gonna just simply select all of this and make a group and duplicate the group and just merge the group. Okay, then I'll just rotate this layer and then add a nice gradient, and the gradient will be like little bit of darkish. Alright, like something like that, little bit of darkish. Alright, here we go guys. Then I'll just again duplicate this layer, merge, select pixel, then modify contract, maybe 4. No, 4 will be little more. Okay, then I'll just add maybe 3 will be perfect. Yeah, 3. Then just select these inverts and layer by copy. Alright, and add a nice stroke color like white, and just simply just using arrow key I will just simply move this layer, and then I'll just add maybe a nice drop shadow to that, something like that, and then add a nice bevel and ambush. Go to the blending mode and this set, and maybe a nice bevel and ambush. Something like that will be perfect. Alright, after doing that I'll just simply again rasterize this layer. Alright, simply duplicate this, I will just drag this to the bottom side, and again I will just simply rotate it, something like that. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply add again a nice gradient to that. Alright, something like that. And guys, what I'm gonna do is just simply select all of this layer, merge layers, select it again, and boom, add a nice gradient again, like this yellow gradient. Okay, then just again rasterize this, create a smart object, and just mask it, something like that. Just create some outlines, that's all you have to do. Just add some outlines, that's all guys. And here we go guys. After that I will just simply again merge these layers. Alright, and I'll just add a nice background, then change the overlay, the blending mode to overlay, and maybe I'll just decrease the fill color I mean fill opacity will be 40%, will be perfect. Alright, here we go. Then I'll just again merge this layer, and I'll just add simple nice glows. Oh yeah, here we go guys, that's really looking good as you can see. And just maybe some yellowish glow will be perfect. Okay, here we go guys, that's our nice second text effect. So that's how you can create this nice 3D looking text effect guys. So let's jump into the our next text effect. Alright guys, so here we go guys, let's create our third nice text effect. So you can use this text effect for like gaming thumbnails and headers. Most of streamers use this text effect. So what I'm gonna do is just select this font advantage, and I'll just simply rasterize this layer again, and just maybe add the invert. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply select this layer warp. Okay, and I'll just go to the arc, and I'll just simply add a nice curve shape to this text. Alright guys, then what I'm gonna do is just simply add a nice gradient. So after adding this gradient, I'll just simply select this curvature area or the bottom side. Then I'll just simply again add this gradient in reverse option. Okay, like something like that. Maybe I will just simply increase the saturation of this gradient, something like that maybe. No, oh yeah, let's go guys. Something like that should be perfect, or like that should be perfect. Okay, then just adjust this gradient. Then I'll just simply merge these layers. Okay, and I'll just simply select this layer, add a nice stroke, something like that. Okay, then I'll just simply drag and drop this layer, and then I'll just simply increase the black color to like something like grayish. Okay, this will be perfect. Then guys, what I'm gonna do is just simply go to the blending options, add a nice stroke like this dark color. Okay, I'll just add this nice stroke. I go to the blending options, this stroke, this dark color, something like that, and I'll just simply rotate it. Okay, like that. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply merge these layers, and here we go guys. I will select this hard brush tool, and I'll just fill this blank area like that. Okay, simply just fill the blank area. After doing that, I will just simply select our ellipse tool, create a knife curve shape, and just fill it. Okay, then again select this, cut this down like that. Okay, then just select this side, select this side, then again delete, again copy this layer, sorry, not copy, just cut this layer, select this area, here we go, that's something like that. Okay, then I'll just simply duplicate this layer, add this. Okay, then I'll just simply add this gradient again. I'll go to the bottom side, we'll duplicate this, then again I'll just add nice stroke, like that. Okay, so after doing all of these sheets, just merge all of this layer. Okay, all of this layer, go to the liquify option, and then I'll just add some liquify, that will be more. Okay, I'll go to the again liquify option, and what I'm going to do is just simply add this nice curvish, okay, curvish shape, and again I will just move this and select this area. Okay, and then I'll just move this. Alright guys, here you can create this nice text effect. So that's our third text effect, guys. Let's jump into our fourth and the nice text effect. Here we go, guys, that's our fourth text effect. So again I will just use this nitro changers font, and then I'll just simply select some areas like that. Okay guys, just select these areas. Okay, then I'll just simply decrease the size, something like that. Okay, I'll just do all of this thing to like some of this portion, like that. Here we go, something like that will be perfect maybe. Okay, that's it guys. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply move this shape like that. Okay, then I'll just add this nice gradient, this color gradient. Okay, and I'll just rasterize this, convert to smart object, and then I'll just again repeat the same thing. Okay, the same sheets. Okay, something like that. Here we go guys, after doing all of this thing, I'll just merge this shapes. Okay, then I'll just simply add a nice gradient to this text like that. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is just simply again add this background, and then I'll just simply change the blending mode to overlay. I'll just add a black and white. Oh my gosh, just look at these guys, that's looking really amazing. Okay, something like that. Then I'll just add some nice adjustments, like masking and stuff. After doing this, the final result will show. Oh, just look at these guys. Then we'll simply merge all of this thing. Okay, I'll just merge all of this thing. Alright guys, then maybe let me merge. Okay, like that. Then I will just again add this gradient. Simply just little bit drag. Okay, like that. And guys, here we go, that's a nice ice cube text effect. And let's just move into the last and final fifth text effect. Here we go to our last and final fifth text effect, guys. So the font I'm gonna use for this text effect is Abeganshi. Okay, then I'll just simply rasterize this layer. I'll add a nice noise and gain effect. I'll just select this blending mode. Okay, then I'll just invert this layer, something like that. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply adjust this gain effect. Okay, after adjusting, I'll just simply merge, do some masking and stuff, something like that. And I'll just select this pen tool, select shape, go to the color. Okay, and just paint some strokes, make the fill invisible. And then what we're gonna do is just simply create some nice outlines. After that, just merge this, adjust the outline and just select it like that. Okay, then just merge all of this thing. What we have to do is just simply duplicate this layer, drag this, add the color, go to the filter, blur, motion blur, something like that. Again select this text, add nice fill, adjust this, again go to this text, blending options, bevel and ambush, again go to this text, blending options, bevel and ambush, again this text, blending options, and Babylon ambush. Okay, just decrease this opacities, and again create new layer, add some glow. Change the blending option to like that. Again add some glow. Nice. Again add some glow. Decrease the color. Here we go guys, that's the last and fifth text effect. So guys, you can create these 5 amazing text effect just by following the instructions. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful for you, so you can just hit the subscribe button and share it to your friend. And back then guys, goodbye. Let's see you in the another video. Don't forget to subscribe and share.